New class, new me, and new students. I can't wait for the new students to come. They are gonna be so happy. I just love new students. I hope they come because or else they're gonna miss their class. I'm the first one in class. But what's this big giant sea here? Super strange. I forgot my backpack. I should get my backpack. It's nice and Gucci. I have a bag because I'm special. My mommy has this bag. So pretty. And I love it that way. Oh, hi, new teacher. Hi, teacher. Wait, I forgot my friend. Friend, come here. Get on my foot. Get off my foot. Okay, fine. Lee. Friend, come here. I'm coming. The sippy cup's so good. Hey, what? It has bugs inside there. No, like it's called coffee deck. It's called coffee deck. It's called smoothie deck, but yeah, it's called smoothie deck, and it adds these cool stickers on it. So it looks like there's bugs inside. I wanted the cool bug one, because I just love bugs. And also, this drink is so good. You want to try? Okay, I'll try. Good. That's right. Go to coffee deck if you want one. I mean smoothie deck. It's smoothie deck. It's not coffee. Smoothie for kids. I wonder what teacher we have. I hope it's Miss Rosie. I love Miss Rosie. Yeah, I love Miss Rosie too. What's this big sea here? That doesn't look like Miss Rosie. Hello, students. Before I introduce my name, I need a student to come, one more student to come in this class. Is this Miss Rosie? No, it's not Miss Rosie. It's a new teacher. And don't worry, I'll be so much fun. I know you missed your teacher, Miss Rosie. She'll be in the halls and she'll be looking at lunch with you. Well, I guess that's true. Yeah, it's okay. I love Miss Rosie too. But you don't have to cry about it. Yeah. I forgot my backpack too. Silly us. Here's my unicorn backpack. So cute, so stylish. You could go ahead and put your backpack by my little table. Okay. Take the backpack for you guys. Over here. And for you. For me, that's my backpack. Let's take out my sippy cup. Oops, I dropped some sippy cup smoothie. Dropped some sippy cup smoothie on there. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay if you drop some sippy cup smoothie. I know everybody drops sippy cup smoothie sometimes. Okay, but who's this person in the big chair? I don't know. I'm going to class. Oh, hello, guys. Hi. I almost forgot you, friend. Yeah, you forgot me. Yeah, we forgot you. Okay, let's go ahead and sit down. But where's my backpack? I forgot my backpack again. We all forgot our backpacks. What? Well, Oh, that's so cool. That's weird. So funny. Okay, now we're on a backpack. Here it is. It's called I Love the Golden. Where'd you get it from? I got it from my grandma. That's a really cool backpack. Thank you. How did you know that was the spot? I just saw your backpacks there. That's good. Let's go sit down. I wonder who's not gonna be in a big chair. We're just talking about that. Yeah. Big chair person. Super strange. Can't wait, new class meeting. Did I forget my backpack? I forgot my backpack. Where is the new student? She's getting late. Gotta go sit down. Whoa, it's a big teenager. That's why they had the big seat. Yeah. That's why they had the big seat. Hope I'm not that late. Okay, I hope I'm not that late. Well, everybody here? Oh, great, everybody's here. Hello, I'm introducing my name. My name is Miss Charlotte. I'll be teaching for your class. I'm your new teacher. I know you are Miss Rosie because she was your teacher. But it's okay. Miss Rosie's gonna come soon. No need to worry. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and take attendance. Okay, let's look at the attendance paper. Lily, here. Grayson, here. Rosie, here. Linksy, absent. Star, here. Well, looks like everyone's here. Glad everyone's here. I'm super happy for that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and sit down. Let me pass out these cute coloring page. I'm gonna pass out these colored pages and let me think what you did about them. Like, I want to see them like you did in Miss Rosie's class. Hey, we have a student named Rosie, and your teacher's named Rosie. That's great. Yep, it's great. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go get your pages. These coloring pages you did in Miss Rosie's class. See, look. Okay, this is for Rosie. And Linksy's absent. Lily. There you go, Lily. You spread around a little bit. Yeah, sure. I'm going. Linksy is absent. Who's this one? Grayson. Right here. Looks like there's no other paper. Okay, it's it's okay. You're not left out. You still have a paper. Yeah, I was absent, so I didn't get a paper. Yeah. Now you're here. Okay. So, we're going to go ahead and teach about this book I found. It's like language arts. Language arts. What's inside? Writing. Yeah. I got a question. What is your question? What is this doggy picture up here? That doggy picture? Yeah, what is that doggy picture? Oh, it's my dog. She's at home right now. Oh, that's so cute. I wonder what your dog looks like. It looks like exactly like that picture. Oh. Oopsie. Okay, we're going to go about language arts. Language arts is really fun. Ring, 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 ring. Well, looks like all that talking led to recess. Yay, recess! Guys can go ahead and go to recess. Okay. I'm going first. Recess. Oh my gosh! This is a big staircase and a ginormous slide. Cool! So fun. Look at over there. You guys, you gotta check this out. This looks so cool. What is that? What? Guys, there's a big, ginormous slide. It looks so amazing. Whoa! That slide is bigger than me. Duh, we're little kids. Well, that doesn't make sense, but it's so big. Look, and it's so high. Yup, it looks so much fun. It looks scary to me. It looks fun to me. Whoa, guys, what's all the shouting? What did I miss? I want to see, too. Whoa, look at this big slide. That's what we were just talking about. It looks so cool to go on. I want to go on it first. Okay. I can't wait to go. Let's climb up this little staircase. It looks so high. I'm going to go ahead and sit. Whoa, it looks so much fun. Whee! That was so amazing, guys. You can try it. Whoa, the slide is ruined. Let me put it back up. Whoa, you're so strong. Wow, so strong. My turn. Can I please go before? Okay, you can go. Wow, this staircase looks so cool to go on. Whee! Wow, that was awesome. Awesome, you say? So much fun. Yay. Whoa, that was awesome. Well, guys, I'm kind of scared. It's okay. Don't be a scaredy cat. Yeah, don't be a scaredy cat. Okay, fine. I'll go on a big, ginormous slide. If you call me a scaredy cat, I'm gonna face my fears. It looks so scary and steep, but I need to try. Wow! That was so much fun. Yeah. fun.